We're gonna get it. We're gonna get an up close shot of the sleeping woman.
How up close?
Are you kidding me?
You shouldn't take a picture when she's sleeping.
She just can't wake up.
She can't. Hey,
They've been
I've been
trying.
going longer than her, and I'm
They've
awake.
tried. That's like the third or fourth time they've tried. She wakes up and just goes right back down.
You gotta send me that.
What'd she get? Is it good? I'll train her.
Oh, I got it.
Send me them right now. Send me them.
Kelly, what is your input on the sleeping woman? No, let's hear it.
Adam, I'm gonna kill you.
You're on Candid. Your food's getting cold, miss. Go, Ashley.
This is better than going to the movie.
Oh my! She's out again. She lit.
One. Ding, ding, ding.
Who else took a video? We all gotta get together and put them all together. Compilation of videos. I just want to sit down next to her. I'm gonna be honest with you. Even if she like freaks out, I just get up and leave. You know what I mean? You guys want to? Let's go sit in the thing next to her, the booth next to her. Let's go too. I do not restrict you. Wake her up. Wake her up. Ashley. Wake her ass. Wake her up. I love you forever, I swear to you. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Wake her up. Do it. Listen, I'll pay you. I'll pay you double what you're making right now.
My manager told me that to leave her alone.
What's gonna happen other than the fact she's gonna wake up and look at you and go, I'm okay, and then she's gonna put her head back down, and this time I'm gonna catch it.
I know.
Just do it. I'm telling you right now. I'll give you $80. I'll blur your face out. It's not like everyone's gonna be like, who's the cute girl that woke up the old lady? And everyone's gonna comment it on YouTube, and you get to just look at it and say, that's me.
It's smile. So we can.
Are you recording?
Not at all.
Okay.
Actually, I am. I straight up lied to you.
Okay, can you please delete that?
I'm just kidding.
You gotta send that video to me.
Oh, don't worry, I will.
Because I'll put it right on Facebook. Right on Facebook.
Oh, I know. I can put it on Facebook from my phone.
So can I.
Ow.
Yes, I take
Did she? What? Did she?